Smells really good, strong cherry flavor. It smell. Good flavor. Now, some people say that some of these will taste like maybe like a cough medicine, for example, because you're all you have is water and flavor. You don't have water and flavoring and sugar and some kind of a corn syrup, whatever, to make it sweet. No, maybe it has a saccharin. Maybe it has a, well, they wouldn't have saccharin anymore, but maybe it has something like Splenda or something like that. Whereas this is, it doesn't have that. Carbonated water. It says, let's see, carbonated water, natural flavor, and that's it. Two